And we're back.
Rip in the chat.
Okay, now Alt F4 the game. There we go. There we go. Stream's back.
F. I'm at 17. It's pretty good.
Alright, I'm back in the game.
Wait.
You say what?
Leak.
What do you want me to leak?
You leaked your email.
Oh, I don't care. They can see my email. That's fine. If I just start getting spam, I'll just put it in my spam folder.
Lightsaber Customization, please. Not yet.
Yeah, Lightsaber Customization's not in quite yet.
An interesting thing that
Everything is soon, you could say.
Mark
Yes.
said to me the other day was adding a color wheel to the lightsaber.
Ooh, that'd be cool. Oh, hey, here's CW. What's up, CW?
What about a color wheel for lightsabers? That's pretty good.
That's what I just said.
Yeah, I know.
That'd be,
I know. I mentioned it. I was like, that's pretty. Yeah, you mentioned it. I was like, it's a pretty good idea, actually.
'Tis a pretty dope idea.
It is.
Wait. I'm not sure. Did you get like specific lightsaber crystals, right? In the original game?
I believe they were part of, like, when they introduced collections, you could do, like, collections that would get you lightsaber crystals and stuff like that. At least if I'm remembering it correctly. And based on that, then you would be able to, yeah, color should be acquired through crystals you get from the lightsaber. Yeah, that'd actually be an interesting idea, too.
Yeah.
I mean, I think...
I was thinking with the color wheel, it would just be, like, too much.
What I think would be kind of cool is... I like tying things behind progression, because, you know, studying game design, it's like... Especially with an MMO, you want there to be a really good sense of progression. What we could do, too, is potentially, if we, like, when, not collections, what am I trying to say here?
I was thinking if you unlock all the crystals, you get the color wheel or something. I don't know.
Yeah. That, or like if you get all the crystals and your rank is a Jedi Master in your whatever it is. Why can I not think of the word?
Gaming.
Basically. The thing with the bounty hunter... classes! That's what I'm trying to say. Classes! God, that was so hard. With classes, if you get to Jedi Master and you also get... Or if you get Jedi Grandmaster and you also get all the lightsaber crystals, that would be an interesting way of doing it. Oh, CW just typed the novel. It wasn't officially implemented on Mustafar, but the third Meriden level, the one could zoom in on the first 2 levels before them. Oh, I didn't know that. That's what I was thinking. I was thinking that it was implemented on Mustafar. That's why Mustafar Republic Defender map kind of took me a little bit extra to figure out, because I'm like, wait, that doesn't look right, and then it started to zoom, and I'm like, oh, God, no. Just got another 25 credits. I guess I could show off, Lightsaber Duel Lightsaber Duel Republic, or, level 1. Oh, I did the bad thing.
Uh-oh.
I accidentally hit multiplayer. Oh no. Hang on, I got to Alt F4 again. Oh, thank you, X Glover, for the follow. Appreciate it. Maybe I need to do more of these dev streams. I've gained like freaking, oh, I don't know, maybe 10 followers already. Oh, I have caps lock on.
What is the name generator?
You what?
The name generator and your channel point thing.
Oh, that's a broken thing I just haven't removed. It's what it was supposed to do is Nightbot was supposed to just give you a random nickname, but for some reason I couldn't get it working, so I just never removed it. I'll do that after I get done with the stream.
What's happening, guys?
Hi, Beast.
Oh, hey, what's up, Beast?
How's it going?
It's going.
Streaming.
Fair enough.
Got any cool things to say from the mod side of things?
Just nodding away. I don't know. Dude, I'm tired. Like I just finished a mid shift, so basically 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. just straight up.
Ugh.
And it's not fun. That's not fun, but you know.
Just gotta sleep
I'm
like a
just
bat,
tired.
sleep during the day, wake up at night.
Pretty much. No, this was like a one-time gig. Needed me to do a mid shift where I'm used to working 3 p.m. to 11 p.m.
Oof.
So then the next other day, they're like, hey, I know you're off on Monday, but can you work 11 p.m. to 7 a.m.? We got VIPs coming in. So, okay. So, and shockingly, they all left like at the end of my shift. So that was crazy. Cool. Yeah, fun times.
Yeah,
So you
thankfully I don't have to do a whole lot of late night shifts, thankfully.
I don't have to do
I'm
anything.
just thankful that I've got something. Put down the resume. Yeah, I helped out this VIP. That was cool.
Yeah. That's a big reason why I'm on this team here is a lot of resume work.
Hey, give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna go dark for a second.
No worries. I mean, if I get a full-time job working in game design, though, I'm probably still gonna work on this like part-time.
I'm gone. As soon as I get a paying job in this, I'm gone.
I'll probably still help out just because I'm a huge fan of this game, and I can't say that I'll do a whole lot to help out, but
I might stick around, but
you'll probably just stick around as a retired dev.
if all goes to plan though, I would be working for Lucasfilm, so it would be kind of weird.
You could be our inside man. I'm currently an electrical engineer at a big company, but I want to devote some extra time to programming this game. Dude, if you've got experience programming, absolutely apply. We could definitely use some help on the programming side.
Do it. Apply.
Do it.
Like I know you'd be helping out Mark a lot.
If Mark isn't available to interview you, I'll do it, and I'll just straight away.
That's basically what you did with me, Chow. Mark handed it off to you, and he's like, "Oh yeah, I'm good."
I'm just glad it panned out.
Yeah, you literally. I just kept spamming you. I'm like, "Hey, any update?" And you're like, "Oh, I haven't looked at it yet."
Oh, he already sent an application.
Ooh,
Oh.
Chow, you got an application to review, bud.
I'm not a programmer. I don't know what to talk about. I don't know what to ask.
You have
Can
experience
you do
coding
the
in
code?
C#7?
Mark. Oh, there's Blaster. Blaster's got a nice shot.
What's up, Blaster?
That Blast got a nice shot. Haha.
Wasn't Blaster one of like the original testers?
Well, yeah, he's probably the most active actual tester because he like reports a lot of bugs and stuff.
Yeah, he does a lot to help us with that.
We're talking about Blaster?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Not C. Honestly, like, if you know how to program in C, C# is not much different than C#. It's really not. And same with Java. Like, Java's a little bit different, but
Oh, that's a lot.
yeah, you'd definitely be qualified for the position then.
It's just Mark, man.
Say C# is really, like, if you know how to do C++, C# will be a breeze for you, because C# is a lot easier than C++.
I think Mark started out as a Java.
Yeah, he
programmer.
started out as a Java programmer.
Confused how he uses Blender. Will always be confused by that.
What I'm gonna do.
I used
is
to
I'm
use Maya when I was in my animation classes.
I'm gonna message Mark and say to him, get that application read now.
Yeah, absolutely. Be like, hey, there's an application waiting for you for your programming side. Absolutely look at it.
I'll threaten him.
C# isn't it a musical note? Funny you say that. Yes, it is a musical note, but it's also a programming language. Bet let's get it then. I got 700 on my daily spin today. The lowest that I've gotten is like 17 on daily spin, and I was just... Funny enough, that was actually my first day as a dev. I got on, played daily spin, and I got 17 credits, and I'm like... Really?
Nice.
Nah.
Black.
Nah, the lowest I got was 1 credit. Absolutely straight up 1 credit. Nope.
Same. That's him.
I'm gonna come on the game right now and I'm gonna get the highest ever daily spin
Do
score
it,
ever.
no chromosomes.
Do it. I would love to see you at least get.
No, you won't.
9,000.
You won't.
Get 9,000. I dare you.
Let's see if I can.
But yeah, I know some basic C# coding. I've been trying to help out Mark with what I can. He's been helping me out a little bit on some stuff. Mostly because, yeah. Your cash. Oh, your cash. Gotcha.
Okay. Let's see. Daily spin, let's go.
Get it, Chow. Get it, get it, get it.
I'll be impressed if you get
Starting
over
off with a
1,000.
5. Starting off with a 5. Oh, there's a 0.
50.
There's an 8.
Okay, 508.
It's 508.
Ah.
Okay.
Close.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad.
I'm just gonna give myself 9,000 credits.
Chow just leaves the game. Rage quit after getting 500. But yeah, I could show off some of the.
Is the live stream starting now?
Oh,
Brian,
it's
or-
I've been streaming for like an hour.
It's
Oh,
been.
Is our
I'll
squads?
pause them out. I've been working.
Oh,
for the
thanks,
past 8
Chow. Thanks, Chow. I appreciate it, buddy. Chow gave me 1 credit.
hours. Oh, that's fine.
Our squads.
That's respectful, Chow.
So Nether asked, "Are squads still in development?" I actually don't know the status on squads at the moment.
Squads are, I think they're on second last on the roadmap.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know we're trying to get like friends and stuff like that in though.
I think at first squads were going to be part of social features, but
Yeah.
we're just at the like after.
Droid attachments are on the list as well.
Way years into the future.
But hey, if we can get 7 on our team, and he can really help us out with some of that stuff, who knows how long it'll take.
Yeah, I'm gonna message Mark now. I'm gonna get him tilt. That's him. And the bad books. Naughty list.
So I know my specialties with coding is 2-dimensional coding. I'm terrible at 3D coding.
I'm terrible in coding in general.
Mark's taught me a little bit on some 3-dimensional coding, but I'm still very much a novice. So, as it stands right now, in order for me to graduate with my undergraduate in game design, I need to complete my serious game design course, my artificial intelligence theory, and then I have to take it's a class called Agile Development, which is basically us working in like small teams. And then I have to take Game Capstone, which is basically portfolio work.
Oh, fun.
That's a good question. How long will the Life Day theme be active?
I believe.
It will. I think it's ending pretty soon. I think in the next.
You sure?
Days, I think. Yeah, I was talking to Mark about it last night.
Oh,
Probably next week.
Um,
I would
think
assume.
I think they were saying the 14th. So
You said the 14th, possibly?
well, I'm pretty sure that's the decision.
Oh, okay.
there'll probably be an update before that.
So by squads, you mean groups that you invite to be in friends with? Yeah. The
Right.
squads, yeah.
Kind of like a Nova Core, like back then it was like Nova Core, then it was like what was another really popular squad you could have joined on CWA?
I
So
know.
Ryan,
like
the
you,
team is
just
making
have their own
the
one.
I mean,
based
I
on
don't
videos.
think they did Blaster, but they had some sets and cosmetics.
So,
Yeah.
Ryan, the team is making the UI and maps based in videos and pictures, or you have old files of the game. So it's actually a little bit of both. We have some of the old game files, but like with Republic Defender, we don't have the map files. So with the Republic Defender, I basically go on YouTube, look up old videos and pictures, and I basically just from there I try and figure out, okay, how close to perfect can I get it? But stuff with like housing, we have the original maps. I just have to do the terrain editing. Like all the textures and everything are already in there. I just have to do some like terrain and furniture items. That's really all I have to do. Oh, Chowd Nether says he's enjoyed you being inactive on the Discord.
Where did they say that?
He said that on YouTube.
And my YouTube like broken. Right, hold on, I'm gonna go back on this.
I'll be back 1 second.
Nether has enjoyed me being inactive.
Yep.
I have also enjoyed being inactive as well. Very much.
Beast is always inactive.
Well, yes. I got a good reason why.
Sure you do.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, Spectre's on. Let's go, Spectre.
Nether said JK. You scared of me. Nether is scared of me. That's
I think everyone's scared of you, Chow.
Bus.
It's the Scottish accent. The Scottish accent really just makes you intimidating.
This isn't even like my actual accent. This is like a diluted version of it, so people can actually understand me.
You gotta speak your regular accent then, Chow.
Nah.
Brilliant. I loved it.
We said no, I'm not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is it? Because I know in Ireland they speak. Is it Gaelic?
Yeah, Scotland they speak Gaelic, Scottish Gaelic.
Is that just their is that the language though?
Not that many people speak it here. Compared to Ireland, a lot of people still speak Gaelic in Ireland, but here That's mostly up.
Gotcha.
Scottish accent is intimidating.
It is indeed intimidating. If only we
Okay.
had, like, I
Right.
guess.
Someone is spamming this with our characters and off topic.
Oh yeah, is the Padawan dorm, is that fixed?
I don't know. Was it broke?
I mean,
How?
there was a bug where you couldn't actually go like you couldn't actually leave the map. I'm gonna try it. Everyone gang up in the Padawan dorm. I think it's been fixed. Okay, thank goodness.
Oh god. Wait, how this person is spammed like
Scottish accents are Cash's favorite accent, Chow.
6, 7, 8.
Honestly, Scottish, Irish, and Australian accents are my favorite accents.
A person in the server put in 8 pictures of 8 Swatar character pictures, like one after the other, and that's not good. It's spam. It's spam. I don't like it.
But yeah, like we have a college professor. We have a college professor who lived in Australia, and he is. It's so funny because when he gets upset at someone in class, like his accent full on comes out. Like it's just so fun. Honestly, that accent is kind of lit. Gonna be honest. Nether says your accent's pretty lit, Chow.
I don't care. Do you like that? How'd you like that, Nether?
Nether, don't be a suck up.
Yeah.
CW says he's already grinding credits for housing.
Who gave me the ouchie? You care?
I know housing. We want to get housing done as soon as possible. Like we want to get started on it. Because I think Mark said that housing and combat are going to be two of the hardest things to make.
Housing was probably a little easier than combat, I'm
Yeah.
guessing.
That's
So
why
the-
we wanted to do housing first, because housing is quite a bit easier.
Yeah, originally we were gonna wait till combat was in the game to actually put like launch alpha publicly, but we're like that's gonna take a little bit, so we just decided to put housing in. Plus that'll give more people a lot more sort of content, or like
It'll give them a lot more to do.
yeah.
That's one reason why Mark decided to do housing. Yeah, was because he knows that housing would give people a long-term thing to keep them entertained.
Plus hype team could do some building events. Ooh. Ooh.
What we could do, like, how would we do the announcement video for the housing though, Chow? Are you gonna create a cool crib?
Could do.
Maybe we could show off some of the, like, maybe we could have some of the testers come in and do some of the maps as well, and we could show it off.
Yeah.
And show off some of the community maps.
That's what I'm thinking. Nether, can't wait to get on height.
Are we looking for people to go on Hype Team at the moment?
Not really. Unless they really impress me.
Which, it's pretty hard to impress Chow. I sometimes impress Chow with my maps. Sometimes.
I never impressed Chow.
That sounded so sad.
I just love how and Nox just comes out of nowhere. I never impress him.
Nackley has really impressed me with his advancements in rigging. Like,
Yeah, I know. I think he's impressed everyone.
in such a short time as well.
I think it was about a week or two. I could be wrong though.
I just remember mentioning to you, like, well, I mean, you could always do rigging, and you're like, I don't think I could do that. And now here you are.
I got motivated by the most weirdest way possible. We were in a call like this, and Dawson's like, "Oh, I'm gonna go rig something," and I just kind of clicked in my head and be like, I'll give it a shot. Sure, why not?" And then, I found an interest in it.
And now you might have a possible career in it if you keep progressing.
Oh god, I would hate that.
It would be a very tedious job.
Rigging for a living.
CW said he's already drawing up plans for hotels on lots. When you're so much of a gamer that you draw out maps for the game.
CW.
I won't be talking too much. I'm in a class right now.
Yeah, no
But I'll
worries.
be muted.
No
But
worries,
if
buddy.
there's questions, I can answer it. Hold up.
Beast, you still here? Or did Beast have to... Is Beast still gone?
Beast.
Yeah.
Okay. We gotta get Dawson in here. I'm gonna send him a message. Be like, yo, Dawson, homeboy, get in here.
You said Dawson, are you awake?
I was still sleeping.
Be like, yo, homeboy, you awake? What's up, CD Shen? So, do you think I'd be alright to show off some of the stuff that I've shown off in the Discord, Chow?
Probably. If you get in trouble for it, just tell whoever gives you in trouble that it was my idea.
Okay. They'll be like, oh, okay, Chow said yes, okay, that's fine. So,
And it's fun.
I have seen you in the Discord. Where do I have my...
I haven't seen you in the Discord because I've been gone.
So, here are... I've got a bunch of images.
What's the progress on Republic Defender?
We have... Republic
basically-
Defender 2 is mostly done.
Basically, what's happening is we're scrapping Republic Defender entirely.
God, you know how pissed Mark would be? So this was the first map that I worked on, was this Felucia map. This one took me, oh god, I want to say about a week and a half to make. Like, these maps weren't easy to make in the slightest because of all the dang plants.
I really like them. They look very nice.
They were such a pain in the butt to make. And then I've got, where is... where do I have that one at? Oh, these two right here. Then I have these two images, which were the 6th map. The final Felucia map. These ones are a bit smaller images. But I had this one, and then that one as well. This one wasn't as bad as the previous. And then my all-time favorite one that I've worked on so far, which is...
Which one?
The one that I teased in the general chat, or not in the, what you call it? I don't remember what it... The Game News channel. I'm gonna... If I can find out where I put that image. Where did I put it? Oh, that's right, it was a video, because... Yeah. So I have that, Mustafar. And then... Do you think I could show off maybe the thing that I showed in the dev chat yesterday?
Let me look and see if I can find it.
If not, I can pin it.
How far up is it?
Not too far up. Here, I'll pin it. There you go.
This is okay. This isn't dev chat. Yeah. Sure, why not?
Yeah, why not? We'll treat the people to something nice. A nice little tease. We'll see if people take notice of it.
What could it be?
Dude, I still think this is funny, this guy right here. But yeah, we'll let people take a guess on that. Even though I'm pretty sure most people know what it is. I start college next week. I don't want to go back to college.
I had college today.
So I go back next Tuesday is my first day back. Which means unfortunately my dev time is going to be slightly limited. I hope my English is good because I come from Germany. Yeah, it's not bad, dude. It's not bad. Believe me, most people in America can't speak English well either, including myself. At least Oh no, the bug is still there from the Padawan dorm. Where you can't leave the Padawan dorm.
I mean, most Americans. Oh well, you use the thing at press X on CW's name thing.
Yeah, I did. And then
there's the little menu at the right side.
Ah.
The little button.
Ah. Okay.
That's how I travelled the planets.
I'm gonna go to Iceberg 3 to show that off a little bit. I'm gonna go drum for a little while, see another.
Bye, Nether drumming. Go drum.
You got your first master's class tonight? Ooh. Good old master's degree. You going in engineering, I'm assuming? And don't worry, Chow. Iceberg 3 is on the list.
Better be.
It all depends on how long it'll take me to finish the current ones.
Finish it now.
Does the lighting need to be a little bit brighter on Iceberg 3? CW says so.
It looks very.
Probably actually. I think it looks better in the dark.
I actually think we need a box collider on or a mesh collider on this thing right here.
Yo, I actually might rig a legend set. We only have one.
Dawson's awake.
Dawson!
Ping.
Dawson!
Yo, Chow, what do you think is a good legend set to do?
Systems engineering.
What one's other?
Help you become an alpha tester? It's possible. Dawson looks pretty good, but
Dawson!
Hey, light would be fire.
Yo!
Yeah, that's true. Hey, we have a Dawson.
Yes, I finally was able to make it.
Dawson.
Meaning he's finally awake.
No, I was not. I was awake. I was just busy.
Dawson.
Yo.
I have a question for you, Dawson.
Sorry, what was that, Joe?
I have a question for you.
Yes, I have an answer.
Is your refrigerator running?
God damn it.
Oh, there's also not a mesh collider on this either.
You said you had an answer.
Yes, it is running.
You better go catch it then.
No.
sent in the form for the alpha tester. Nice.
Oh, by the way, Nectly, guess what?
What's up?
These nuts.
I got you baited.
Oh, got
I got
him.
you. I always get you baited by Dawson. I thought he was gonna. Okay.
Hey, Chow, what's up, dog?
I'm done. I'm done. I'm leaving this call. I got you baited too hard.
Chow, what's up, dog?
Up, Doug.
Dog? What's up, dog?
I'm never responding to
Much.
the
What about
Dawson.
you?
I'm never doing that again. I always get you baited.
Up, Doug.
Hey, what's Dawson? If you really want to get him, what's a butt for?
I think I might need to restart Mother. Actually, not restart. Touch on Mother Towels instead again.
I don't think it'll work on Chow because I think Chow has a better IQ than Vive. So, Chow, what's a butt for?
You like sit on stuff with it. You also do other stuff with it.
Yeah, Dawson. He's not gonna fall for it.
Yeah, I don't think so.
You can shake it.
So we've been just showing off some stuff. We haven't shown off too much, Dawson.
What legend? Yo, what legend set do you guys think I should touch on?
I don't even remember all the legend sets, if I'm being completely
I know,
honest.
that's why. That's actually why I'm asking. I don't know any legend. All I know is Lando, Han Solo, Royal Guard, Boba, the pilot, and that's it. That's all I know. Or should I just do a bounty hunter?
They said do Kyle Katarn.
Ooh,
Was that in the game?
I don't know who that
I
is.
don't know.
I actually don't know who that is.
Cash said to do it, so.
How do you not know who Kyle Katarn? I don't even like Legends, and I know who Kyle.
I know. I was about to say like I haven't even.
I'm a filthy
Right.
casual Star Wars fan, okay?
I'm not
Hey,
even
Dawson,
I just don't like Legends.
Dawson, I need to retouch on Mother Taliesin again because he told me that there was werebones and I completely forgot about it.
Yep.
Oh, did you check?
CWA.
Oh, how did Black Sun do? How did the Black Sunset do?
I never got a chance to look at it last night. I was in DC with Mark and we were doing character creation stuff.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that reminds me. I need to start rigging some of the head things because Mark wanted me to do that.
I did Anakin last night.
So how's the
Yeah.
character creation thing going there, Dawson?
The Anakin, bro.
It's going pretty well. Trying to think what we did. Last night Mark did some coding changes, but we finished up all of the UI for character creation. So
Nice.
everything is all set up under the new system. All that's left is that Mark has to code it in so that the script and the server detects what species you choose and it generates buttons based upon the species you select. And then after that, we have to rig every single hairpiece and every single like all the head tails and stuff, which won't be hard, but there's a lot of them.
Yeah.
So with the head tails, there's like I can make it so that it moves a lot more like realistically with the body. So like the lower parts don't move as much.
Oh, also, Dawson, apparently, Cash Supernova in the Discord, apparently he knows a lot about coding. And he's done a lot of like C, C++, and all that stuff, which if he knows how to do that, he can do C#, no problem.
I was gonna say it's very similar to C#. So
And he applied.
He applied to be a dev.
Nobody found out. Nobody knew.
Yeah, no one knew he applied for dev.
Oof.
So Chow sent Mark a chat being like, "Hey, go check the applications."
When did he apply?
It's a good question. When did you apply, Cash?
I think I remember the application actually. I'm not entirely sure. I do remember seeing a thing recently.
Actually, I'm gonna do Boba Fett Young. I think that's my next set.
Yeah, do that.
I know you want. I was
Yeah.
before I was gonna do the OG boba, but then you're like hold off a bit, so I was like okay.
Oh, okay. He said he felt bad because he's been spamming the Discord about it. He applied like 3 to 4 days ago.
God damn it, Mark.
Oh, hey, Fracture's back. What's up, Fracture?
Hi, Fracture.
What's up, Dawson?
Make sure you
Hey.
don't fracture anything.
Nice Bakara outfit there, bud.
Thank you, thank you.
That CW can't see, just like he also can't see my Rex Phase 2.
Mm-hmm. Wonder who did
Well,
that.
actually, he can because I think he's watching my stream.
You can. Yeah, Embo, Breaker, Rex Phase 2, and Quinlan Voss aren't able for the others. Heck can apparently.
Say most mounts need fixing CW.
Dawson, the clone asymmetrical gloves.
Yeah, I was
Have
gonna get to that. The
Did y'all
What about
play
the
some Republic Defender?
I never rigged that.
I want to see some. I did play some Republic Defender earlier, but I could always go back and do another one. Mark still hasn't fixed the issue on Republic Defender 2 with this tanks not spawning. So
What about the asymmetrical gloves, Chow?
they need to be redone because the fingers don't wrap around the lightsaber.
None of the gloves wrap around the lightsaber.
Yeah, they do. 'Cause they're
yeah,
not
some of them do, yeah. Like just the
wrap around
regular clone
right.
ones.
They do.
yeah, I was. Yeah,
Okay, well, I don't have to redo them. All I have to do is just open them up in a keep suit and then save it, and then automatically updates and you can
Oh.
200
I
the
have to
200
read.
IQ.
I have to re.
You did the
put it through
200 IQ?
200 IQ?
Yeah,
Okay, so I can't find the hair.
I sent Dawson an update on the
Um,
snowtrooper gloves, and then he's like, "Oh, don't even do it. I'm just gonna fix it."
What is the hair under? Is it cust?
Yeah, it's under
Yeah.
cust,
Yeah, I found that. I was looking at a character.
and then it just needs to be rigged to the head bone. But depending on like the hair length, like you probably want to rig it like to like some of it to the upper spine or the neck.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking because I think I want to do that. That.
Ready? Hello.
Well, thank you, CD, for the follow. I appreciate it. No, I haven't shown off Lightsaber Duels. Currently, Lightsaber Duels is still kind of buggy, but I can show off the first level.
Custom clone hair businessman. I didn't know that was a thing.
So Dawson, Chow actually brought up was it Chow that brought it up, or was it someone in our chat that brought up an interesting idea for lightsaber customizations whenever we get those done?
But the color wheel.
Well, it was the color wheel initially, and then we were talking about possibly doing like the
Yeah, I was thinking. I think Mark mentioned it to me the other day about using a color wheel for the lightsaber customization, but I think that would be like too much.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe if we do it once, like you've unlocked a certain amount of stuff, you can do this color wheel because.
Yeah,
like
That's
if
one-
you gained all the lightsaber crystals and you were Jedi Grandmaster or Jedi Master, you could like use the color wheel.
that's a pretty smart way to get people into the game. Like actually, grind it out.
It'll
I
get them
guess.
to grind, yeah.
Same
Yeah.
thing with challenges for like gears,
Armor
like
and
maybe
stuff,
one
yeah,
bad
yeah.
batch. Like maybe if you want to get crosshairs, like helmet, do kill 300 droids with like a certain gun or something. I don't know. That's just a number, but
Gotcha. Oh, it was Cash that suggested the crystal idea. Ooh, I have enough energy for a third turret. Let's go. Hey, Dawson with the 5 bits. You can watch me do terrible at Republic Defender. And yeah, I know the audio's quiet. Yeah, that's still a visual bug. The bullets, some of the bullets still miss the
wait, Dawson, have you fixed the Quinlan Voss, like the clavicle?
No, I haven't done any work on the project since last night.
Oh,
He's just been busy doing real life stuff.
Yup.
Okay, I'm gonna rig the tog router.
That feeling when you don't, or that feeling when you only have, or when you actually have real life stuff to do. Such a
For
shame.
real.
Can't be me. Can't relate.
I can relate next week when I start back at school.
Wait, what's today's PogChamp? What is that?
Oh, hey, we got Freddy's in chat.
They changed the PogChamp emote every day now because they don't use the original guy anymore because he did bad stuff.
I'm so disappointed they got rid of PogChamp.
I can't say that. I'll get banned on Twitch. Just like I can't say the S word.
Sim?
Yeah, I can't say that or else I'll get banned.
Isn't that better TTV not working? I'm not sure.
You a little piece of simp.
Just because.
Ooh, Freddy says you have a sexy voice there, Dawson.
Thank you, Freddie. I appreciate it.
I was disappointed yesterday, Dawson, because we were talking to Mark, and I didn't get to hear the howdy.
I know. Very disappointed.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever I talk to Mark, our conversations always go the exact same. He says howdy, I say howdy. How am I? He asks, how are you? I say good. How are you? And he says good. And then we start our conversation. We've been saying that to each other for about, how long have I known him? 2.5 years now.
Been that long.
Dawson, how do our conversations usually go? What's up, Doug?
God, stop. What's up, dog?
What's up, Doug? Nothing much.
How are you?
But yeah, as you can see, Lightsaber Duels is still pretty broken because there is no lightsabers on the characters. Except for Kenobi. So it is still very much a work in progress.
I think everything is a work in progress.
Have you played Daily Spin yet?
About that.
He played it last night and he wasn't able to do it again.
Yeah.
Oof.
I wish I didn't play it now.
The cameras are looking good in Lightsaber Duel.
I don't know if you told the community this or those who are watching, but in the next patch, since we're going to be updating character creation, everybody will have to remake their characters.
Oh yeah, I didn't mention that, yeah.
Keep in mind, normal clone.
I was about to say, that'll just give you an excuse just to
Play
make it
around
the way
with.
you want.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna play around with. Oh, there's actually sound effects now in.
In a couple of them. Only like 2 or 3.
Oh, okay. So I take it you've done a little bit of work on it then.
That actually wasn't me, that was Drake.
Oh. Tell Drake to finish it. Just tell him to stop doing the tutorial and just work on this.
No, the tutorial's more important.
Is it really though?
Yeah.
It is.
Yes, because there's people that will ask, yo, how do I play this game? Or like, what is this about? And then you see the tutorial. Now they know.
Well, the thing that I was thinking about is that if we can get the tutorial finished in time, we can release it with the next patch. So after you create your character, the tutorial plays.
Ooh.
Whenever our next patch is.
Like a week or so, I'd guess.
Soon.
At the earliest, maybe.
At the earliest.
About, what was I gonna say? I forgot what I was gonna say. Okay then.
Stunt Gungan gameplay when?
Oh, I mean, I could always go into Stunt Gungan. Do you like the little quality of life stuff that I did and also broke the game?
Yes, I do. I really like that.
Even though I broke the game and Mark had to go back and fix it.
I was gonna say, Mark, I was in VC with him and he was like, well, Ryan broke it again. I was like, broke what? And he was like, he broke the game. I was like, oh.
Yeah, I'm the new panda on the dev team.
Blame Panda.
Yeah, instead of
That should-
hashtag blame Panda, it's hashtag blame Ryan.
That should be code name, like redeem code. Blame
Yeah,
Panda.
yeah, blame Panda. What does it get you?
Hopefully-
Absolutely nothing. You'll just get a little message that says hashtag blame Panda. Very pumped because Fracture, I don't think you were here when I made the announcement of how many testers we're going to be bringing in, because Mark said we could.
Oh, yes, 100.
We're going to be bringing in 100 testers in the first round.
Which
Is
is
that-
probably in the next 2.5, 3 weeks the most.
Is
That's
it
what I would say.
is it like the order of the registrations, or it's just picked randomly?
We're just gonna pick whoever. Like, for example, if someone who is able to test on Mac or Linux will have probably a higher percentage of being picked, because we don't have as many testers on Mac or Linux.
That's because
like the build.
I was just going to
Like
say
it-
because Max sucks.
Yeah.
No
Wait,
argument
isn't
there.
is the testing, like alpha testing, is that available for Mac? Because I thought it was always for
Well,
Windows.
we can just send the zip file to Mac users, but we're currently in the process of testing the launcher in Mac.
How does it?
Linux
How
probably
do we
just
have
to
it
wait.
working in the Linux build?
I don't know. I don't know the extent of Linux.
I know nothing about Linux operating systems, so I'm honestly kind of surprised that we're making a Linux build, considering that there's not really a lot of people on the Linux build.
Yeah. I am too.
Hey, it's Freddy. Freddy's in here. Be like, Freddy joined VC. Oh, there you go. Cash says he can run Linux on his laptop if you need one.
Yeah, if he wants to sign up, or if
He's already signed up, I'm pretty sure.
Well, if he signed up,
Oh, Freddy, you're in VC? Oh, yeah, you are.
yeah, Freddy is in VC.
Freddy, say hello to the fans.
He has
He
no
doesn't
mic.
have a mic.
Gosh dang it, Freddy. We gotta get you like that cheap $15 one.
I don't understand how Freddy is able to fly.
Because he is
Am I
Hacker
right?
Man.
I was about to say
Hacker Man, that's not even a question. He's
I was about to say,
Hacker Man.
that's his job, is to break the game.
Freddy is making a spreadsheet of all of the ways he's able to hack the game for us. I don't know if you saw that in in staff chat.
I did
saw that.
see that.
I saw that.
What in the heck? Freddy, what are you doing? Cash says he'd rather not use Linux for alpha or even dev, but if you need me, I can partition my drive.
I mean, we can easily test it with we can easily test our launcher with Linux, because all we have to do is download a virtual machine or set up
Yeah.
a dual boot for our operating systems.
Freddy do be hacking. He is our hacker man after all. I told Freddy, I said for Christmas I'm gonna get him
Thing about virtual machine, there could potentially be networking branch issues. That could be one, because back when I was a tester, I did a virtual machine on Mac, like to get Windows, and the networking issue, like it just wouldn't work. Like when you press login, like nothing happens. It just kind of.
If that's the case, we can just set up a dual boot, so Windows and Linux boot at the same time. So that should relieve any networking issues.
Not many people have Linux, period. Yeah, that's true.
Technically, Linux is the most used operating system in
Yeah.
the entire world.
Just not in the US.
No, in the US too. Every single Android phone runs off of Linux.
Oh, well, that's true, I guess. Yeah, that's true. Every phone does. So, hey, when are we getting the mobile version?
One
Soon TM.
Like
Question
when,
mark?
Like when Mark was playing it on his tablet?
question mark.
It'd be very easy to get this game up and running on mobile.
It really would, though.
Because Mark has done it before, just out of curiosity.
So, is it true that you guys are trying to get Disney to put this game back up, or are you not allowed to talk about it? I mean,
No.
if Disney ever wanted to just bring the game back, that'd be
No.
great.
That wouldn't be because they just flood it with microtransactions.
I was about to say, like, there would just be a bunch of microtransactions. So
That's
we
actually,
know
yeah,
it.
I guess that's a good point.
I don't think I wanna pay $50 for like 4 months.
But
We have no affiliation with Disney or Lucasfilm or EA or whoever you want to call it.
yeah,
our
we're just
own
doing this.
thing.
We're just doing this because we enjoyed the game and we want to make something fun.
And bring it back for everybody.
You want a mobile version on your flip phone? Sure.
TM soon. TM? Question mark.
Put that in the feature request. There we go. Flip phone
Put that in
version.
Put that in suggestions.
Dawson wishes he could fly. I mean, yeah, we all wish we could fly Freddy.
I mean,
Hold up. Let me check.
technically, I could easily fly. I just have to open up Unity.
Open up the no clip version.
I cannot
Well,
fly.
I was just going to update the transformation values. Logged in.
Well, let me see Mother Talon. Oh, okay. It's just the arms that need to be
Oh, and Dawson.
wearable.
Yeah.
I'm learning AI theory this semester in college, so hopefully I'll be able to help out and do some minigame stuff.
Oh, dude, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, the secret wasn't so secret.
Which secret?
Uh.
Oh yeah, yeah. Mark figured it out almost immediately.
Oh, need to retouch on.
You did give him like a bunch of hints.
I was
Yeah,
about to
and
say,
then said scramble. He said scramble, and it was just that obvious.
I was just like, oh, Mark's brain's gonna be all scrambled, and he's like, oh, I know what it is.
Is this the forearm wear? Hold up.
Hey Dawson, CW says if he can suggest a Legends gear to rig, he says to do Kyle Katarn.
I don't know who that is. It's either,
I
Ah,
will
Jesus,
take that.
exactly. Come on, just.
Jesus, Zach, how do you not know who Kyle Katarn is?
who is that? Am I tripping? Who is that?
I will take that into consideration because there's like a million other things that I have to rig right now. But
Yeah.
soon TM.
In Legends, he's the one that stole the Death Star plans, right? Or like helped to steal them,
Yeah, wasn't he the protagonist in Dark Forces?
I think.
Would you be able to teach some of us how to do some of that AI stuff too? Depends on how much I learn. Yeah. I mean, I know Mark's pretty knowledgeable about AI stuff.
I was gonna say depends how familiar you are with C# and game development, because you can't just jump right into AI stuff.
Yeah, AI is something that you kind of have to just. That's why I'm in my third semester of fourth semester of college right now. So there's a reason why I didn't learn it until now, because it's not easy to do. I guess that Disney thing was just a joke. I could have sworn someone said you guys were trying to get them to pull it back. Nah.
No.
That was probably just a joke. He had a full armor set available to buy in the game in its early stages, though it was retired along with Han Solo and Lando shortly after beta. Oh.
Yeah, those will be back.
Kyle Katarn did.
Yeah.
We could actually do codes for those because they're
Yeah.
like a little exclusive.
I love the Beyonce dance.
Bro, I really need to touch on this Mother Towers and the forearm wear. Oh my. Okay.
Oh man.
Why is this getting? Oh, my
Dawson, I'm
goodness.
pretty sure this isn't how characters are supposed to work. Look at my stream.
But I will say I looked at that in the original, and that's exactly how the animation looked in the original.
Like, that neck just doesn't look right.
That's how it was. I looked it up.
I don't even remember that dance from the OG days.
Okay, now do this. Oh, there's the wear bone. What the heck?
Ugliest gear award goes to. Careful what you say there, Freddy. Don't make Dawson mad.
Yeah, I spent a lot of time rigging those armor sets.
Indeed.
He's just like, oh, never mind.
We have over 100 in game, right? And about
You're about to get 105. Oh,
You really have 5 armor sets ready to go?
no, Mother Talisman needs to be touched on again.
Oh, dude, I got a spam bot. Let's go.
I completely. Dawson tells me later on. Oh, she has wear bones, by the way. So I was like, okay.
Yeah, but I had to. You asked me like to find those armor sets like right as I was about to leave, so I just opened up like 5 random armor sets, and I was like, okay, these are good.
Yeah.
There's still the original Obi-Wan that you can do. There's the Umbaran, and there's the.
Yeah, I'm waiting for Umbaran until Umbaran comes back. Oh yeah, I still need to do his jacket.
Oh, Freddy's rocking that gold clone trooper armor.
The bling. It's got the drip, man. Mother Talisman is almost done. I've done everything else. It's just kind of.
Was the bling trooper? Was he in the OG?
Yes, he was.
Oh,
Yeah, give me one sec.
Was he one that you had to buy with station cash, or was he credits?
He was station cash.
Okay, that's what I thought.
I think Commander Fox was also station cash. Could be wrong.
A lot of the armor sets were station cash.
Yeah, a lot of them were.
But it's gonna be free now, bro. You press control.
Yeah, CW, that's right. And then also there's what was I gonna say? The clone snowtroopers, the flame trooper, as well.
What was he asking?
He was asking how many armor sets we're adding next patch.
Oh yeah. Oh, Galactic Marines. Don't forget that too. I did Galactic
It
Marines.
depends if I can get them in time or not. Because each set takes about 30 to 40 minutes, 45 minutes to add in game.
What happened
Because
here?
I have to implement the model. Well, first, when you send them to me, I have to run them through Blender using the updated skeleton with the cape bones. Then I need to import them into Unity, calculate their normals, make all the materials for the each armor piece, open the database, item database table, open the shop database table, put the item numbers in the shop database table, assign each armor piece their item number in the database, and then specify what objects need to be enabled on the character, like if the neck needs to be enabled or something like that. So it's a tedious process.
Also, there's a couple questions.
It sounds fun.
Did
It's a lot of fun.
Did you say that the Mother Talisman was hit? Which part was his wear bone? Just the forearm, right? Or the elbow? I think it was.
It uses
The leg.
just regular, just like normal. Like it uses forearm wear and elbow wear.
Because the legs, there's no knee wear. It's
you don't have to worry about the legs.
It's the arm. Yeah. Forearm wear is the okay.
Yeah,
I was just asking what was the wear bone in the set.
Yeah, forearm and elbow. Basically, most armor sets follow that same pattern. Just forearm wear, then elbow wear, then elbow.
Alright, so there's a couple questions. The first one, so the downloadable CWA EMU on the site that edition, I'm assuming, is many updates behind. Are you talking about the one that's out on the website
The one on
itself?
the site is 2 years old.
Yeah, that's a really old build. But usually, like, if you're talking about like the alpha builds, those ones are like the build that I'm currently on. Yeah, we're like a few updates ahead of. Basically, what's in here right now is a work in progress of the next update, the next alpha update.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah, I did Alt 4 Streamlabs. Who's the beta male?
Knackley.
But what do you ask?
No, don't worry about it, Knockla. It's fine.
Okay.
It's actually Freddy.
It's not Freddy. Freddy is an alpha.
Yeah. Mega Alpha. Omega Alpha.
There was the piece, man. Okay, there it was. No. Okay, I got scared.
Mod commands in chat win, Dawson.
They are in chat. Here.
Haha! I have been disconnected.
Yeah, I just kicked you from the game.
Aw, that's a shame.
I believe you can kick players too as well.
Kick
Ryan,
Freddy.
I think you have admin permissions.
I shouldn't.
You are a developer, so you should have admin permissions.
I thought it was on the man.
Maybe it was. Maybe it is only managers.
Chowder, your PFP is bald.
Oh, here's the elbow, man.
Yeah.
Let's see. What is Knockley a dev for? He does
I don't know.
rigging.
He's really
I
here
don't
just
know.
to mess around.
He's our emotional support.
He
yeah.
likes to spam our DMs.
That's me. That's absolutely me.
I wake up and every day I have like 30 messages from you. I'm like, oh my god.
But no, in all seriousness, he rigs armor sets and all that. Like the armor that I'm wearing right now, the Rex Phase 2 is one that he's done. He's also done Commander Fox and Bakara. And the rest were pretty much Dawson,
And
Chow, and other people.
Basically just Chow and I.
Yeah.
More soon. I'm gonna say that more soon. Just more soon.
And then we also have to rig like companions, mounts, and stuff.
Yeah, he's
I've
done a couple of them.
I've been working on one of the mounts, bro. The face is so hard. Oh my goodness.
Are you gonna have you, or are you going to implement those little holocrons you can find all throughout the hubs that unlock like the collections things? Yes, eventually.
That's probably with maybe combat. I don't know.
It'll either be with combat or it'll be with social features, maybe. Dawson would probably have a better answer on that.
Sorry, I had to step away for a second. My cat was meowing at my door.
No, you're good.
Nice cat, man. Oh, what the heck? Is this the form? Good.
I remember when Knockla was just a humble support rep. He is still technically a support rep.
I am support. Still support, but
he's a dual man now.
Can you hear my cat rubbing against my microphone?
No, not really.
Okay.
Like me and Chow just have different like 2 roles at once.
I'm the leader behind though.
Chow is hype man.
Yo, that laugh though. That laugh though.
That sounded sinister.
Sorry. Sorry I can't be leader of support.
He's knocking my microphone over.
Now I can hear that.
I can hear it now.
Yeah, that was my cat. He knocked my microphone over.
So Dawson, the question was, when are we expected to do like the collections, like the holocrons and stuff like that? Is that with combat or social?
Social.
Okay.
It's not.
Are you sure? Because I think
it's the mile
squad
housing in mini games.
Yeah.
Like the squads and collectibles one.
Oh, okay.
Hold up, give me 1 sec.
It's the mysterious stranger. I remember someone asking if this was a reference to like SWTOR or KOTOR.
I don't think so. It's something we kind of made up on the spot.
Gotcha. Is the Starfighter game up? No, Starfighter's not done. I don't even know when the last time it's been touched on.
We're going to be working on it immediately after character creation.
Oh, okay.
And then
So I
afterwards,
remember it being it's a work in progress, but
yeah, so basically to give you guys a rough timeline of what we're doing is after character creation, we're going to be moving right on to Starfighter, and then after Starfighter we're going to fix up lightsaber duels, and then we're going to start some of the new stuff.
such as possibly the stuff that I've been working on.
Yes. Well, possibly. You should be on the Trello, Ryan, so you should be able to see our
I'm on the
work.
programming Trello. I'm not on the content one.
Yeah, no, the programming Trello is the Trello that we're following.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I know the current milestone. I want to be able to help out with some of that stuff, but I don't know what all I'd be able to help out with.
Yeah, it's a lot of it is server programming.
Yeah, which is Mark's specialty.
That's Mark's thing.
But hey, if we get Cash to help out and do some programming with us, that'd be pretty lit.
That would be.
I don't know how his experience on game development, because he's a I think he said he's an engineer.
Yeah.
So, but I mean, hey, if he knows a bunch about programming, I'm sure he could probably pick it up pretty quickly.
Oh, I'm sure. Ow, my cat is biting me.
Game development is fun, but it can be tedious at a lot of times.
Yes, it's very tedious.
Like working on the Mustafar Republic Defender map. Oh my god. Doing those particle systems were so tedious.
Don't even get me started on rigging. I hate it with a burning passion.
You what?
I said I hate rigging with a burning passion.
I think Knockley does too.
Pretty tedious.
I think any self-respecting person would admit that they don't like rigging.
Yeah.
Rigging is horrible. And I had to learn it all by myself. Because nobody else knew how to do it.
Okay, yeah, that can get pretty.
I had
it
very
was just,
I've got very limited knowledge on animation and modeling. Like I took a couple classes in high school, but I never was like fully into like modeling and stuff like that. I can do them, but I don't have a software to use anymore. I mean, I've got Blender, but
Nobody uses. No.
I used to use like what we always used Maya, which
Yeah.
Maya was
Yeah,
really
3DS
really
Max.
good. I loved working with Maya.
I
Yeah,
prefer Cinema 4D.
I'm hoping to switch to Maya soon.
Don't you use 3DS Max?
I do, but when I go to university, I will be using Maya.
Maya is fun. I like using it.
I could have sworn they're made by the same people.
Oh, they are, but
Autodesk, yeah.
one of them's just more suited to one thing.
One of
Mine is
them is
more
just
animation, while 3DS Max is more modeling, right?
I think one of them is just better.
I do like in Maya you can export a project, like you can export a model as a game file. Like it has built-in game files that you can use for models and stuff like that. And it's just the exporting is so simple.
There has been a few recent updates to Max that have made it a lot better to use, but it's still quite behind.
I despise Blender. I hate Blender.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I need to-
Blender's UI sucks.
I gotta agree with Dawson there, bruh.
I need
Let's
to
see.
use Blender.
Tell Mark to stream on the CWA channel. Mark is unfortunate. He was gonna be on the stream, but Mark then had to get called into work.
And in addition to that, we normally save the CWA channel
For like big announcements and stuff like that.
announcements and stuff. I have the password to the Clone Wars Adventures channel. It's under my name since I made the channel. So if you needed the password, I could have given it to you, but
Oh well. I got project experience too. Oh well, that's good. Cash
I
said that.
was actually thinking a while ago because there's a thing that will be coming
Can't be
in the near
more
future.
tedious than planning a multi-million-dollar project that is just endless meetings. Oh, yeah, that does sound pretty bad.
There's a plan that I have should be starting in the near future, and I was thinking of making it like a community sort of thing. So like the community would help or like suggest stuff, and I would stream it, and I would be making it at the same time.
Oh, yeah, that'd be cool. I'd join in. Just chat
Yeah.
and probably heckle you.
Mhm.
Are houses up yet? Houses are not. We have the Padawan dorm in, but housing itself is not in.
Almost every single like housing lot has been made, but like we
It's
haven't
just-
started on actual like.
Yeah,
building.
that's my current project. Is I'm working on getting housing lots prepped and ready to go for whenever we get housing worked on. That and also working on Republic Defender, which I will say the Mustafar housing lot that I'm working on that I showed off earlier is a pain in the butt because there wasn't actually a pre-built terrain like the rest of them was. So I had to go in and basically just create it from scratch.
Yep, that's how all the housing lots are. Unfortunately, we had to make all the terrain by ourselves.
Yeah.
You know another thing I really hate about Blender? You can only import one thing at a single time.
Yeah,
I agree.
that is an annoyance with it.
Something
Because-
else is the delete key doesn't actually delete the object.
Yeah.
I hate the key bindings. They're horrible.
Oh, hey Dawson, we need to get the our little project. We need to get those assets imported in so that I can start doing the UI stuff.
We do, and I kind of ran into like a roadblock because I was like, because normally what Mark does is he has an SWF editor where
Yeah.
he's able to open up ActionScript 2 images and export all the UI elements out of them.
Okay.
And that's how we got a lot of the UI for like the mini games. So I came into a roadblock where I was like, well, crap, how am I going to get the daily or the project? I don't know why I said daily, but how are we supposed to get our project?
Yeah. We were talking about it
files.
last night. He said, do you have the project files? And I'm like, not the ones that you're referring to, no. So Dawson, when are we switching back from the Life Day the Life Day theme?
When this patch comes out, we're disabling Life Day.
Okay.
So in the next like week and a half, 2 weeks, somewhere around there.
Are we gonna be doing a Valentine's theme or Valentine's stuff?
There's not normally Valentine's Day objects around the temple, but there's stuff in the shop that
Yeah.
appears on Valentine's Day. I already have one of the Valentine's Day companions in my inventory.
I think
Gotcha.
it's just I'm not sure what else is in, but I know it's
Yeah,
the clone commando guy.
that's implemented already. And I got the R2 companion.
Could do his weapon. Is it like a bow or something?
And Dawson, I know when we asked the community for the mini games that they want to see, I can guarantee you some of the ones that are going to pop up. I guarantee you Galactic Forces, Card Commander, and probably Speeder Bike Racing are going to be up there.
Oh yeah.
We should just say to people if you want public to come out soon, then
I
easy minigames.
I agree with what someone said in chat. I don't remember who said it, but someone said what you should do is make it to where you have one 3D map that people can vote on and the other two are like 2D maps. And I'm like, that's actually not a bad idea. That way it saves us a massive headache, because working on Card Commander and Galactic Forces would literally... Card Commander especially would take us forever.
Yeah.
Because developing a card game is not easy to do.
It's actually not that complicated. It's basically rock, paper, scissors, but with cards.
Yeah, but it's just a tedious process.
Lots of UI.
And then... Galactic Forces, Mark said, is actually not as hard as he thought it was going to be.
Oh, Dark Side Duel is very easy.
It's literally just
Oh.
light side duel, but with dark.
Yep. Once we finish up Lightsaber Duel, after this next patch, yeah, Dark Side Duel will be basically ready to go. We just have to rig the Dark Side characters and add the Force abilities.
Yeah. Any other questions that the community has? Let me get I'm gonna get tech. No, I'll pass on that one, Dawson.
I gave you tech, Ryan?
No, Chow did.
Oh, Chow did, okay. I was about to say, like, I do not remember giving you tech.
Yeah, no, Chow gave me it. He's the only Bad Batch we have right now, right?
Yeah, he is. Did he give you all the other unreleased armor sets or dev only armor set?
I don't know.
Because there's the Redemption armor set.
Oh, yeah, no, I don't have those.
Let's see here.
Oh, yes, that armor set.
Yes, this was unreleased, and I hate it.
It's the furry armor set.
The furry armor set. Let's see here.
We should definitely make that a code, and it's just furry.
Yeah, I agree.
All of our codes are just gonna be like inside jokes from the devs.
Beast.
Yeast.
That's gonna be one of the codes right there. Dawson is beast.
Yeast.
One thing that we could do too is I kind of hope people put Saber Strike or Blaster Training down, because those would be fun to work on.
Yes, those will be really fun.
Also, they wouldn't really be that hard to make.
No.
Saber Strike, I know, is just like, it's a 3D camera, but it's an orthographic camera, isn't it?
Yeah. I want Force Connection. That's the Connect 4 minigame.
Chow, were you the one that said you liked Force Perception?
Oh yeah, it's my favourite. I'll have spotted the difference.
Weren't we planning on doing Force Perception?
Like a year and a half ago. And then we started
Okay.
working on multiplayer.
I mean,
instead.
you can play it right now if you have the SWF file.
I was about to say, you can play like 10 mini games or so.
Wow. Yeah,
I have all the SWF files.
I don't have any of the SWF files.
They're on the Google Drive. I think you can play all Rocket Rescue games.
Is that
You can play-
on? Is that on?
Andrew.
Was that in the dev chat?
No, it's not.
I
don't
can
think
send
so.
you it
Oh, okay.
because I have it bookmarked.
Mm-hmm. I have it on the Google Drive, so.
So when we bring in those assets, like for the mini game that we're working on, Dawson, does it bring in the scripts too, or are we gonna have to recreate the scripts?
You have to script everything yourself
Okay.
because the original minigames were coded in ActionScript 2, which is an outdated version of Flash.
Oh yeah.
Unity is not compatible with ActionScript 2.
Yeah. Good old Flash. I still think that's weird that they actually had like Flash code in a game
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah, it was weird how they coded it, how they used a game engine like I forget what they used.
It
They
was
used
like the
Forge Light.
yeah, it was
Forge Light?
Forge Light, yeah.
But they used ActionScript to code the 2D minigames.
Which isn't Forge Light? Isn't that also like C#?
It's a closed source engine, so I don't know anything. Nobody knows anything about
Well,
it.
yeah, because
other than
they
people who work
never
there.
released it to the public. It was only available to
Yeah.
Daybreak
Yup.
because it was their special engine. My phone just received a notification. Huh. I'm back.
I'm back. I'm Dad.
Oh, nice to meet you.
I'm going to play some Hollow Scramble.
Yeah, you gotta. Did you send me the SPF files?
I sent DM'd you the Google Drive link to the.
Oh. Gotcha. Definitely won't show those on stream though. Because I probably will get in trouble for that, won't I?
The SWF files?
Yeah.
Links.
No, you can. I mean,
I think we actually gave them out to the community a while
I
ago.
was about to say we gave them out to some of the people of the community.
Yeah, but that's just like I don't really want to tease that because they're not in the game yet.
Mhm.
But I will definitely take a look at those, like especially with Hollow Scramble, with that being our current project that you and I are working on, just to like get an idea of how the code works.
I noticed a big difference between the Stunt Gungan. It moves much faster in the game than in the the SWF file thing. I think.
You remember hearing Knock say that the Bad Batch gear sets would be exclusive and not in the shop. Maybe through events, so would each Bad Batch member gear set be obtainable in different ways, like maybe the Hunter's set be an exclusive code, the tech set through quest completion? Probably. That's probably how we would go about doing it.
Most new gear sets that aren't retextures would probably be done with that.
Yeah. But yeah, like if it's just like a normal clone retexture, that'll probably be in the shop. But like new armor sets, like the Bad Batch and stuff like that, yeah, there'll probably be like codes or exclusive quests you have to complete and stuff like that. Man, I'm yawning a lot.
Same.
That's because Dawson just woke up.
I did not just wake up.
You sure about that, though, Dawson?
I am positive.
HIV
Wait.
positive, though?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay.
I don't think you can actually play the minigames anymore.
Yeah, you can. I played them.
How do you play them?
You just need a Flash editor or a Flash player. I mean,
I've got an SWF file player and it's I think it's unless it's just this specific. No, it's doing it with all of them.
Hey, Dawson, look, I found a bug.
Can you send me a link to the one that you use?
I can actually just send you the installer, the exe.
Okay. Thanks.
Where's the bug?
Look at my character.
How did you do that?
So, it's a very odd bug. I was just messing around with it. But I'm pressing up on the arrow key and also just barely slightly pressing down on the arrow key, and it's doing this, but you have to press them at the exact same time.
Oh. Interesting.
Yeah, it's like... That's an odd bug. Oh, and it also works for the turning too. Like if you push both arrow keys, you turn slow. Huh. Look at your hands when you do that.
That's funny.
Visual bugs, gotta love them. I got this. I'll get there eventually, Dawson. I say we just leave this in as a feature, because this is funny.
Yes, I agree.
Eh. We'll have to show Mark that.
Yes, we have to show Mark that.
Well, if there's no more questions in from the community here, that'll probably be where I'm going to end off the stream, and I'm probably going to go get some lunch.
I feel that.
I'm going to pull a Mark and go get Taco Bell.
I had Taco Bell for lunch.
Dude, you can't go wrong with Taco Bell. My toilet won't appreciate it later, but...
You can go wrong with Taco Bell.
Chad, what do you normally get from Taco Bell?
Nothing. It's bad. The worst. I went first time I went was when I went to Spain, and it was the worst thing I've ever tasted in my life.
Dawson, what do you normally get when you go to Taco Bell?
Anything and everything off the dollar menu.
Yes,
I'm
that's how
baptized.
I feel that.
Alright, guys, I'm free.
Knock, what do you normally get from Taco Bell?
What?
There's your first question back. Just,
No, I was talking to somebody and I had to go deafened.
Oh no, you're good. I just asked you what you normally get from Taco Bell.
I actually don't eat Taco Bell. I actually don't.
Mark's gonna have you kicked off the dev team for that.
Probably.
Mark basically lives off of Taco Bell.
Okay,
It's good. It's like the couple times I ate from it, it's actually pretty good.
With the Flash player thing, how do I open these files in it?
Wait, what's the difference between this one and this one? Oh, there's no diff. Oh, what?
So
You
are
have to
those
You go open with and then select Flash Player.
so those FPS or those SPFs, not FPS. Those SPFs are the OG ones, right, from the original game.
Yeah, the SWFs.
SWFs, yeah.
We all just developing right now? Is that what we're all doing right now?
I'm still messing around in the game. We're just telling Chow how to do some stuff.
Oh. Alright, should be finished Taliesin. Taliesin. 1000. Yeah, I know.
We
Just mother.
found a cool visual bug. While you
Hey,
were
this-
away.
I can't find Flash player.
Oh, okay. Gosh darn it. Wait, why is this like this?
Because it
Oh,
likes
yeah.
to be like it is.
Probably.
But yeah, I'll let it go for just a little bit longer, see if any other questions trickle in. If not, I'll probably end off the stream.
Dawson, where is your Flash player installed?
It should install on your C drive.
Yeah, I'm just checking like which folder.
You install it on the C drive. You gotta freaking install it on the not the C drive.
Let me see if I can find you another one. Flash Player.
How many hard drives has everyone got on their rigs? I got 2.
I've
Oh,
got
technically
two and
3.
I've got 2 hard drives and 2
I have-
SSDs.
I have 2 hard drives, a 500 gigabyte SSD, and an M.2 120 gigabyte SSD.
I have a 256 gigabyte SSD, a 1 terabyte hard drive, and a 3 terabyte hard drive.
Oh, we're talking about hard drives now?
Yeah. And then I have a 500 gig portable hard drive.
All right, Mother 1000 male should be good.
3, but technically 4. Nice.
How many people are watching the stream right now?
We got 7 currently.
Ooh.
Our record today was 18 viewers at one point.
That's pretty crazy. Not gonna lie, it's pretty insane.
And I've only gained, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4,
My goodness. Make these
5,
attach.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Only 11 followers today. Only 11. I guess being a developer for a widely popular game has some perks, I guess.
True.
Indeed.
Gonna get some Twitch clout going here.
Oh, my goodness.
Gotta subscribe
There
to
it
my
is.
OnlyFans.
I'll be right back, guys.
Alright.
When's Chow gonna get his OnlyFans set up?
Come on. Okay, this is right. Don't do me like this, okay?
Oh, man. Yeah, well, if no one's got any other questions, I'll probably head off stream here and get this uploaded to my channel. And,
Oops.
it'll
Free
be
core
fun.
hawk. Free core hawk.
Free core
Oh
hog.
my.
Yeah, I'm gonna skedaddle and I might go do some gaming.
Yeah, I'm gonna go grab some lunch. Good talking with y'all.
Nice, nice.
I'll catch you all next time we
In the
chat.
next live stream, boys.
In the next stream, guys. Remember to click that notification button and subscribe.
You
It
get-
seems like 60% of you aren't subscribed to my YouTube channel.
Okay, that was good. That was good.
But yeah, I'll see y'all later.
Yeah, but yeah, you guys need to subscribe.
Bye.
See ya.
Guys, what are you guys doing? Where's the... See ya.